Morning, everybody. I just wanted to walk through kind of how the next 2 days are going to go, just so you can kind of get acquainted with Schoology and where to find the information. So at this point, we are starting gas laws. So if you scroll down, everyone's Schoology page should look the same, and you go to week um, of March 23rd through 27th. Okay, we already completed the quizzes. I'm working on grading those here this morning and today, so you should know how you did here by the end of the day. But go back up to the lesson plans for this week. If you click on that, we're here on Wednesday. So to introduce gas laws, there's going to be this gas law simulation that I'm going to have you do. You should see the assignment back. I'll go back a page in just a second so you can see that. But if you click on that, it should launch. This is the worksheet that you're going to be doing, but you're going to create your own. There is a link in there. I'll make sure that the link is active, and that's where you'll go to do that simulation. There's also a video that I have that's me explaining the notes. So if you go back in Schoology, I have a link here for the gas law notes. So if you click on that, that's going to take you, just like if we were taking notes in class, these are the gas law notes that we're going to be covering. So if you then go back to this gas law video for Wednesday, honestly, you could watch it today or you could watch it tomorrow. This is just me explaining the different parts of the gas laws. So it is, I believe, a 13-minute video. Let me go ahead and just start playing it. Yeah, it's a 13-minute video. So if you either watch that today or tomorrow, then that way on Friday we can talk about it. So then last thing I want to talk about are these gas law videos. So this isn't an assignment, but just like the other units where I've had individual videos explaining the different topics, I have each of these videos explaining each particular calculation that we're going to be doing. So these are not homework, but you can go through and look at these at any point as well. So if we go back to the lesson plans, the gas law simulation, again, all due dates are going to be Sundays by 11:59. So the gas law simulation, that will take you a little bit of time just because you're going to work through each gas law. And then worksheets 2 and 3, I'm going to change that where you don't have to do the entire worksheet, probably even just the evens or the odds, and I'll make that decision here in just a minute. But if you, let me go here, this is the packet that I gave you guys on that Friday the 13th before we left. So again, I have the numbers in the corner. So this is the problem set, so you do not need to worry about that for this week. But if you look at worksheet 2, when it says worksheet 2, I'm looking here at Boyle's Law, which gives you the equation. And then worksheet 3 is here, which again gives you the equations along the top. Okay, so that's really the two things that you need to be looking at here today and tomorrow. Again, conferences, I had to adjust the times just a little bit because if you haven't noticed, Schoology is getting a little bit bogged down. So conferences will be from, they may even have to change a little bit here. So I will post an update from that once I can guarantee the conference times, but from 9 to 10 a.m. on Friday and 1:30 to 2. So that's when I will be on conference. If you guys have any questions, want to log in, if you want me to work through any of the worksheets before you guys have to turn them in on Sunday, I'm more than happy to work through some of those as well. Okay, so please email me. Let me know if you guys have any questions between now and Friday when we have our conference.